function will be defined earlier above these function calls, okay? Then we can make these function calls, okay? But just in order to elaborate the functionality, I am writing the function calls first, okay? The function is very simple, very simple. The name of the function can be like greeting, saying hello to someone, greeting, okay? It will pass name of person to this function. Suppose if we write Asif, since Asif is a symbol, therefore I should write single quote on it, okay? So that before applying the function, the actual argument should be the symbol Asif. The quote will be removed, okay? The actual argument will be the Asif, symbol Asif. The greeting function should return the message hello and Asif within a list. Hello Asif within a list. Okay. Similarly, if I pass Kashif, hello Kashif will be returned in the list. However, if I pass argument like this, Asif Ali Khan. Okay. Now it is a full name of a person having first name, middle name, and the last name, all symbols enclosed in one list. Okay. Then the function should also the function should be able to process this type of argument, and it should again return hello Asif. Okay. Is it understandable?
Yes.
Now you have 2 minutes to attempt this card. The first important thing in defining a LISP function is to identify the number of arguments. In both these function calls, we are calling the same function multiple times just to elaborate the functionality of this function. But can you tell me, in both these function calls, how many arguments, the count, how many arguments were passing to this function? 1, or some of you written 3. It is one argument. It is one argument. Whether it is a symbol, like one symbol, Asif, or it is a list. It is one list. One list means one argument. One list means one argument. No matter there are hundreds of symbols inside it, it will be treated as one argument. Okay? And now, I think you should be applying some conditional statements like if statement in order to identify whether that argument is one symbol or it is a list. If it is a list, then we should apply the first function or the car function to take out the first name out of the list. You should have applied the conditional statements in order to differentiate both these arguments. In case of list, the operation will be slightly different. In case of atom or symbol, the operation will be different. Okay, now let's see how we can do it. To define function, then the name of the function, greeting, and how many arguments? One argument. You can name that argument as name. Okay. You can name it as, in order to keep it simple, I am using very simple name A. Now this time A represents the name of a person, and it can be just the first name or it can be the complete full name in the form of a list. Okay. And in the function definition, it would be better to apply the conditional statement. If A is a list, how we can check the list situation? Using LISP function. If A is a list, then we should construct a list of symbol hello and first of A or car of A. This is then part. This is then part. Okay? This is then part. We should be constructing the list with the help of list function, or we can use the cons function. But if A is not a list, it means it will be one symbol, only the first name. It will be one symbol, only the first name. In that case, we will be constructing the hello list, but this time we don't need to take the first or call of it. We'll just pass it to it as it is to the list function hello, and the name will be enclosed in the list. And over here, the if statement is closed and the function definition is closed. I hope it is understandable. Okay, ji. Now note it down.